Our mission at Factorymaker is that we empower stakeholders to take informed decisions regarding their industrial building designs through data-driven simulations. Our core technology is to develop deep learning-based tools to automate manual and lengthy design processes and also to optimize the designs regarding CO2 emission costs and other eco-indicators. Factorymaker streamlines design processes through entering just simple input data at the beginning of a project, the project's location, the project specifics, and also user preferences. And with just one click, we generate thousands of variants in different designs, different structures, different production processes that happen inside of the factory. And we guarantee to find you the most cost-efficient and sustainable building variant that you're looking for. Each proposed design is accompanied by first structural analysis, cost estimation, and also detailed CO2 emission calculations. The results can be exported in numerous file variants to enable the user to actually keep working with the generated 3D models for building structure and processes, and also with the generated reports to actually take informed decisions. Factorymaker follows the urge of enhanced efficiency and quality in construction projects to actually deliver sustainable buildings. Visit our website and follow us along the journey to actually make the construction industry a more sustainable industry.